Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a new map feature on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and Instagram has just launched a new feature guys called Instagram Map. You can access the feature on your Instagram direct messages, so you can go to Instagram DM and you will see map feature right here, and you'll be able to share your location through the map. I'm going to open it. Okay, and here is the explanation about the Instagram maps. You can catch up with friends and see what's around you, and then you can also discover places in post, and you can see what's taked nearby, and no one can see your location until you share it with them. And then a shared location appear in places like the map, feed, and chats. Okay, and only share the location with people you trust, because yeah, it's a little bit dangerous for you to share your map, especially to people that you don't know. Okay, and this is my Instagram map. So the story with location will appear right here, so you can monitor who is around you. Okay, and you can search for friends as well right here. You can invite your friends, and I'm going to open it again. And if you want to activate your map, you can click on this setting right here, and then you can customize who can see your location. Either you want to choose your friends, or just close friends, or only some friends, or no one. And for me now, I'm now activating my location. If you want to turn it on, you can choose, for example, friends, or your favorite friends on Instagram, and you can share it guys right here. Okay, you can click on share a note, and then you can share your location right here to your note. Okay, and I think it's cool feature, but a little bit dangerous, so just remember that only share your location to trust person or trust people. Okay guys, and that's all the explanation about Instagram map. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.